Hello. Hello, my friend. How are you? Hello, miss. I'm here in the Dubai. But just now, in Jumeirah this. Exit 29 is Jumeirah. This all people here enjoy inside. There's too much swimming. This one Jada enjoy. Okay. You know this guy is coming in the Dubai. He's going to already Jumeirah. This is Jumeirah. Too much beautiful place. Very wonderful. Wallahi, we also here in the Jumeirah just now. Today already is Eid. All people off. You know, it's too much enjoy. This one, this one already Burj Khalifa. Yes, I can. This one, this Burj Khalifa. What too much very far. This my phone camera is very small. This one too much far. You know. But I'm already in the ASU. He's come to in the Dubai. He's come to his Jumeirah beach. Too much beautiful. He's Jada enjoy. You know. Bye bye. See you.